Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 2 to the power of 30 minus 1. So to solve this, I'm going to rewrite this as 2 to the power of 15 times 2 minus 1. Now if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 15 times 2 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 15 to the power of 2. And negative 1 is the same thing as negative 1 squared. Now, if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, a is 2 to the power of 15, and b is 1. So now I have 2 to the power of 15 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. Now, 2 to the power of 15, well, what's the value of that? Well, 2 to the power of 10, this is 1024. So 2 to the power of 11 is double of 2 to the power of 10, which is double of 1024, which is 2048. So now 2 to the power of 12 is double of 2048, which is 4096. 2 to the power of 13 is double of 4096, which is 8192. 2 to the power of 14 is double of that, which is 16,384. And finally, 2 to the power of 15, this is double of this, which is 32,768. So I have 32,768 plus 1 times 32,768 minus 1. And now this is equal to 32,769 times 32,767. Now, a simple way to solve this, instead of having to actually multiply them the regular way, is to write this as 32,000 plus 769 times 32,000 plus 767. Now I'm going to distribute. So I get 32,000 times 32,000, which is equal to 1024,000,000. This is 1,024,000,000. And now I have this plus 32,000 times 767 plus 769. And finally, I have at the end 767 times 769. Which is equal to 589,823. So let me add all of this up. You can actually do this on paper if you want, but just to make this easier, I'm gonna use a calculator to add all of this up. So if I add all of this up, I get 1,073,741,823. So this is my solution.
Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 2023 is equal to 2023. And I actually have two methods to solving this problem. So the first method is, well, we start by having x to the power of x to the power of 2023 is equal to 2023. Now I'm going to set x to the power of 2023 equal to the variable y. So if this is true, then I would have now if I take the power of 1 over 2023 on both sides, I get x to the power 2023 to the power of 1 over 2023 is equal to y to the power of 1 over 2023. Then if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So now x to the power of 2023 to the power of 1 over 2023, that's going to equal, well, in this case, a is equal to x, m is equal to 2023, and n, this is equal to 1 over 2023. So I would have a to the power of m times n. So x to the power of 2023 times 1 over 2023. Now, 1 over 2023 is the reciprocal of 2023, and reciprocals, they obviously cancel out. So 2023 divided by 2023 is obviously 1. So then I am left with x to the power of 1 is equal to y to the power of 1 over 2023. Now, x to the power of 1 is the same thing as x, so I have x is equal to y to the power of 1 over 2023. All right, so now that we have our value for x, well, remember how our original equation was x to the power of x to the power of x to the power of 2023 is equal to 2023. And remember how we set y is equal to x to the power of 2023. So now if y is equal to x to the power of 2023, then we have x to the power of 2023 right here. So I'm going to replace that with y. So now I have x to the power of y is equal to 2023. Now remember, this is equal to y to the power of 1 over 2023. So if this is true, now I can replace x with y to the power of 1 over 2023, and then I have this to the power of y, which is equal to 2023. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? And a to the power of m times n, these two are interchangeable, meaning this would also equal a to the power of n times m, because for multiplication, order doesn't matter. Meaning, a to the power of m to the power of n, this would equal a to the power of n to the power of m. So you can switch the order of the two. So in this case, for y to the power of 1 over 2023 to the power of y, I'll switch the order. So now I have y to the power of y to the power of 1 over 2023, and this is equal to 2023. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the power of 2023 on both sides. So I have y to the power of y to the power of 1 over 2023 to the power of 2023 is equal to 2023 to the power of 2023. Now remember, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this would equal y to the power of y to the power of 1 over 2023 times 2023, and this is equal to 2023 to the power of 2023. So then these two would cancel out. So then I would be left with y to the power of y is equal to 2023 to the power of 2023. Now if I have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that A is equal to B as long as B is greater than or equal to 1, which in this case, B is 2023, which is greater than or equal to 1, meaning Y is equal to 2023. However, we are not done yet because Y isn't what we're solving for, we are solving for X. And remember, we set Y equal to X to the power of 2023. So if Y is equal to X to the power of 2023, and if Y is equal to 2023, then I have 2023 is equal to X to the power of 2023. Now I can take the power of 1 over 2023 on both sides. So now I have 2023 to the power of 1 over 2023 is equal to X to the power of 2023 to the power of 1 over 2023. So then these two cancel out, and I would be left with 2023 to the power of 1 over 2023 is equal to X. Now I have a second method to solve this problem. So my second method is, well, remember our original equation was x to the power of x to the power of 2023 is equal to 2023. Now, if x to the power of x to the power of 2023 is equal to 2023, and, well, we have a 2023 right here, right? So if 2023 is equal to x to the power of x to the power of 2023, then this is the same thing as x to the power of x, and then 2023, well, this is equal to x to the power of x to the power of 2023. So then I have x to the power of x to 2023. And then I would have to replace 2023 again with x to the power of x to the power of 2023. So this would actually be infinite, infinitely going on and on and on. So, if it infinitely goes on and on, then I can just set this as x to the power of 2023 is equal to 2023. And I can set all these x's as simply just x. So now if this is true, I can now simply take the power of 1 over 2023 on both sides. These two will cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to 2023 to the power of 1 over 2023. So this is a much simpler and faster solution to solving this problem.